Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can fix your notification problem on your WhatsApp app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, let's get started. So you will just go to your settings first. Do make sure that your app is updated and you do not have this do not disturb mode on your phone. Once you're in settings page, then you will just scroll down and find this option called apps. Just tap on that option and here you can see this particular page where you will just tap on this apps option again and you can search app that you want notification to be on, and then once you get the WhatsApp app, then you will just go this notification. Okay, so in my case, in my phone there is an option called apps, and some phone have option called app manager, so you can tap on there also and then you can find your WhatsApp app like I did. The notification for my WhatsApp is allowed. If I disable this, all the options disappeared. I won't get the notification when I get the messages or the updates. So enable this, then you can see the call notification. Tap on that and as you can see this notification is on. If you disable this also, then you will see the all the options disappears. Enable that, then you can see this banners option. If you disable that, then your notification won't display on your status bar, but you want that, then you can enable this also and you can tap on this lock screen notification. If your phone is locked and you get notification on your WhatsApp, you can just open your phone in your lock screen, you will still get the notification. Sound option also, here you can choose the sound. If you want your notification to come with the sound, you can choose one, or just want it to be silent, then you can choose that also. So once you enable this notification, and then you will be able to get easily notified for your WhatsApp messages, updates and everything. So yeah, this is it for today's video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.